Hi ladies, I'm going to be showing you how to use a Gua Sha tool today. This is part of Chinese medicine. It's a fantastic self-care tool that you can do at home to tighten, tone, detox your face, your skin, your lymphatic system. It's really easy, quite quick to do, and yeah, we'll go through it right now. So first off, I suggest making sure that your skin is clean, that you've washed it, and that you've cleansed it. Nothing ever too harsh for a cleanser. And then we're going to use some sort of toning mist. I like to use the brand that I create, obviously, Hydrate Toner Mist. And so we'll just give it a gentle spray over clean skin. So we're just wanting to hydrate the skin quite a bit to support us doing the Gua Sha. Then I suggest using a face oil. So we want some lubrication to be able to move with the Gua Sha tool. So just a few drops, but we do want maybe a little bit more than you might usually use, just so we can actually glide really nicely. I do suggest doing this at night. That way you can get the most benefits from it, I think, and you can let your skin sort of adjust to after the Gua Sha. So I'm just going to move it around, gently massage as well as we're going. Definitely neck, because we'll be moving there, and forehead. So Gua Sha tools, they all look a little bit different. I definitely suggest the jade stone, and as you can hear, you want it to be stone. I really like these ones because they have all different shapes that you can work with to do all different things to basically get the most benefits from it. So we want to understand that the lymphatic system clears any clear fluids from the body. So the circulatory system moves blood, red fluid, lymphatic system moves clear fluid. So there's all different lymph nodes all through the armpits, groin, all over the body, but they're mostly in the groin, armpits, and all through the neck here. Basically, these ones are here to protect the brain. So the two main ducts are here in the chest, sort of behind the breasts. The left duct will regulate everything on the left side of the body apart from this right upper quadrant. So pretty much here will just be part of the right duct, and the rest will be part of the left duct. So we do want to sort of push this fluid gently into the ducts to help the body sort of clear out any waste and support it in that way. So first we're going to, using this nice flat side, we always want to sort of have a 45-degree angle. You're going to move down along the neck already and along the shoulders. So this is also really nice to open up, especially if it feels tighter for you. So moving down, I usually close my eyes so I can really feel into what I'm doing. So gentle, it doesn't need to be hard. You will notice I'm getting a little bit pink, but less is more. You don't need to go too strong. So nice, all the way down. Like I said, feel into it for you, what feels good. You can move more on your shoulders. And then we're going to start moving down to the breasts. So we'll do these later a bit more. But for now, we're just going to start opening up this area so we can start moving through the face and to basically open up this area before we get deeper into the face. So that's our neck done. So while we're here, we're going to turn to the side, and this is a really big muscle here, the sternocleidomastoid. It holds lots of lymph nodes all the way through it. So we want to get these two bumpy bits, and you'll actually feel it glides just straight over the top of it. I think you can see that. So really nice and smooth. So when we turn our neck, you'll feel you can really grab onto that muscle there. So gently turning and then moving down. Always just do a few strokes. You can do longer if you have a bit more time, but I do at least 3 to 4. And then we're just going to do the other side. So the lymph nodes and the lymphatic system is just under the skin, so we never need to do too strong. So we're just going to go a little bit more on the neck, and then we're going to put these pointy bits again, the bumpy bits, over the front of the neck. So this actually feels really good as well, and then we can go up as well. So the neck's a funny one because we don't want to pull it down and sag it too much, but we also want to move the lymph down, so we sort of do both movements on the neck. So nice and gentle. While we're here, we'll just quickly do the collarbone as well. So that's why I love this shape tool, because it really glides over all the different areas. You can even do it over some of the ribs here. You'll feel it will slot straight in. Beautiful. So again, pretty gentle, not too firm, and sort of on a 45-degree angle. We'll use this flat side again now. So we're going to go onto the face. So we just want to, you can pull the nose or you can just do it as is. So you want to go pretty close to the nose and the cheekbone. Again, you'll see it will slot straight in, and then we're going to go up and out and do these sort of wave movements to the ear. Nice and gentle. And just do a few up and out. So we always go up and out with the face. And we're going to go on the forehead here, up and out to the hairline. Across the brow a bit as well. We'll do the other side. So again, you can hold the nose if you like. I don't always do that. I don't really feel the need to do it, but you can if you like. Again, you can close down the eyes to tune in a bit more. It's very relaxing as well. So, and the other side of the head. So we always do even, of course. So nice and gentle across the brow. If you're prone to headaches, you can focus a little bit more here and sort of like really move into the side of the head to really like get some more space. And we're going to use this shorter edge here across the brows to like really get rid of these fine lines in between the brows. So they're often to do with liver congestion or stress or agitation, irritation. So all the way up. You can also do halfway along the bridge of the nose all the way up to the hairline. Beautiful. We're going to do the chin now. Doesn't really matter what order you do it in, although we do want to open the neck and then sort of move up and then move our way back down. So there is a little bit of a routine that I like to follow, but if you skip a technique or a part of it, don't worry too much. So with this, you'll feel it like feels really good along the jaw, and you can actually massage in here into the TMJ, temporomandibular joint. Our jaw also links up to our hips, so tight hips, tight jaw, and vice versa. So doing this is like really good to relieve stress as well and open up any sort of emotional blockages in the hips. So same parts, we're going to move across the cheekbone, so we're really gliding like straight over. You'll feel it just slot straight in there. Beautiful. So again, taking your time. Doesn't need to take too long, but it's also nice to just gift yourself a bit of space. I usually do this in bed. So we've got all that done. You can press a little bit if needed with these flatter parts or these flatter parts, for instance. I don't always do those, but it's nice. So then we're going to move back down the neck now. So really get under that jaw. Moving down, and usually I'll just wipe it a little bit at this point if I'm wearing something, or you'd usually be nude doing this, but then we're going to move down to the breast, and we're just going to go under the armpits and really like move into the breast. So I'm going all the way over the top. You can go under as well, through the middle. Really move into it. Breast tissue is got lots of lymph nodes stuck behind it as well, and so we hold a lot of emotions here as women, a lot of congestion, so we want to really get in there. Again, gentle though, but yeah, gentle but also getting into all the good spots. So again, you'd be naked doing this, and then you can go up a little bit through the center, just feel into it, moving down. So that's that. And then this part is really beautiful. So in Chinese medicine, we have all different acupuncture channels all over the body. We have the gallbladder channel, which circulates 3 times around the head here and then moves down and regulates all the sides. So gallbladder is all about clarity, clear direction, decision making. So we really want to open these up. You might have had a similar style with fingers during a Thai massage. So just opening up, again you can feel into it. It's not too rough, but just a gentle, like little sort of like flicking just all over the head, especially on the sides there. You'll get a lot of clarity, like open up the mind. It's really beautiful, very important as well to do. And that's it. Usually I suggest just giving it a wipe down or a hot soapy water, keeping it in the little pouch that you get with these from me. Yeah, daily is good if you can do it. You don't have to, even just a few times a week is really beneficial, and you'll definitely notice the difference. Yeah, and then afterwards I don't really put any extra oil on because I have oil, but I just might massage a little bit more, and that's it. Then you can rest and reap all the beautiful benefits of Gua Sha. Enjoy.